Meet the king of Saxony bird of paradise, a Papua New Guinea gem. Its astonishing head feathers, resembling a saxophone, serve a mesmerizing purpose. During courtship, it dances with wings aflutter and feathers vibrating, a forest symphony of attraction. Its clicks and whistles add allure to its performance, echoing through the jungle. This secretive creature hides despite its splendor, making sightings a rare treasure. The king of Saxony bird of paradise, where nature's artistry meets mystery. Like, subscribe, and explore more. Unearth the extraordinary.